Assalamu alaikum my dear children. I'm back with another video and I hope that the previous video was clear to you all. And in the previous video we have learned about finding out the directions. There are four directions, that is north, east, west and south. Okay. Now let's continue our discussion from here. For centuries, sailors and other travelers have used an instrument called the compass to find directions. What is the meaning of century? Means the period of 100 years. One period of 100 year, it makes one century. So for centuries, sailors and other travelers, they used to use an instrument called the compass. It is round in shape. Okay. They used to use that compass to find the directions, and the compass has a needle that always points towards the north, and a compass has a needle that always point towards the north only. So whatever the weather, the travelers would know where the north was. So whatever the weather would be, they used to find out all the directions very easily by using this compass. From this, they were able to find out the other direction. The compass is used even today to figure out directions. And once the needle shows the direction north, of course, the remaining will be what, children? Of course, we have learned that east is on the right side and south is in the bottom and west is on the left side. So by this, they used to figure out all the remaining directions. Okay. And the compass is used even today by many people to find out where the directions are. Okay. Now let's have a glance over the complete lesson, that a globe is a model of the earth. We have learned that globe is a model of the earth and map is a flat piece paper of a drawing of any place. A map is the drawing of the earth, usually on a flat surface like a paper like this. There are four main oceans. What are they? They are Pacific, the Atlantic, Indian and Arctic. What is the biggest among them? This is Pacific. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean among all four. There are 7 continents, namely North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, we have learned about the continents. They are the large land masses, isn't it, on the earth. And there are 7 continents. What are they? North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. And among all these, where is our country, in which continent? It lies in Asia continent. Okay, and the 4 main directions are, what are they? We have learned north, east, south and west. Now let's start our objectives. These are the question answers, you will be getting it. And here is a B bit, that is name the following. The largest continent. Which is the largest continent among all? Just now I said that Asia is the largest continent and our India lies in Asia only. The largest ocean. What is the largest ocean? Largest continent is Asia and largest ocean is Pacific. Pacific, Pacific. The third one is an ocean named after a country. What is that? Indian Ocean. Look at the map here. Where is the Indian Ocean? Here. Why we are calling this ocean as, why we have named it as India? Why? Because because it is near to India. This is our India. So this ocean is near to our India country. That's why it is named as Indian Ocean. Okay. The answer is INDIAN, Indian, OCEAN, Ocean. Next, the fourth one is the four main directions. What are they? North, south, east and west. The smallest continent is Australia. Look at the map here. By the size only you can figure it out easily. Look, among all these continents, the smallest is this. Look how much the Australia is. It is very small when compared to all other 6. AUSTRALIA, Australia. Now let's write the true or false. The first one is the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Yes, it is true. Always the sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. Oceans are large land masses. Wrong. It is oceans are the water bodies. So he's telling that oceans are the large land masses. So answer is false. The water bodies make the earth a blue planet. Of course. Why? Because there is more water on the earth when compared to the land. So answer is true. Globes are usually flat. Wrong. We have learned that globe is a round shape. It's a model of the earth, isn't it? So answer is false. The needle of a compass always points towards the south. No, it always points towards the north. So answer is false. Next, the D bit is underline the correct answers. You have to underline the correct answer. The first one is large water bodies are known as what? Of course, oceans. Water bodies is telling, not land masses. So answer is oceans. Second one is a collection of maps is called globe or atlas. Of course, atlas. Globe is just a model. It's not a collection of the maps. If you collect all the maps, then it becomes an atlas. Okay. The largest ocean is the which one? Of course, Pacific. We have learned the Pacific is the largest ocean. Fourth one is India is in the which is in this continent. Which continent? We have learned that India is in Asia continent. Okay. An instrument used to find direction is, of course, compass, not thermometer. Thermometer is used to check out your fever. Okay, check out your body temperature. Now here you have to do one activity, that is on a map of the world. You have to get the world map and name the 4 oceans on that and 7 continents by going through the picture of that. Okay, of that world map. Then color the oceans blue. Why? Because oceans are the water bodies, so water will be in blue in color. Blue, and use different colors to color the continents, and the land masses are the continents. You have to color it in a different colors. Okay, you can trace the map given on page 21 to do the activity. Even you can draw the with the pencil also by seeing the activity page number 21. Okay, here this one. Okay, you have to do that and color it. The next is, let's check out the HOTS. Of the 7 continents, Antarctica has hardly any population except for scientists who visit it to carry out experiments. So there is nobody who stays there. Why do you think this is so? To know more about Antarctica, go through this website. You need to go through this website so that you know more about Antarctica. Antarctica is very colder region, children. Why? Because it will be always cold throughout the year. Okay, it is very extremely cold that nobody can stay there except the few people goes there, like scientists. They go there and they go do the research. For research purpose only they go. Okay, so to know more about the Antarctica, you can go through this website. Even plants can't grow there, and you can know more about the Antarctica by going through this website. Now I'd like to end up my discussion. Here was the end of the lesson, and I hope that was clear to you all. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.